are going to, where are we going?
Ikea, we're right here.
Ikea! Happy Halloween, by the way. Sorry about this lighting. We're walking through the car park and it's not the best. So yeah, we're just going to explore Ikea. It's actually like 7 o'clock now. So...
Only 2 hours left.
Only 2 hours left, but we still want some meatballs. We're going to go explore, get some housey bits, aren't we? Are you going to get anything?
No, not today.
You don't need a bin?
No,
oh no, you got a bin, didn't you?
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll go get some meatballs and we'll take you shopping. See you in a bit. Bye. Who comes to Ikea and has the milk? Oh, I've got the veggie meatballs, the chips and the meatball sauce, and they are really dry, I'm not going to lie. Jord's got chicken with the meatball sauce, garlic bread, milk and a Fanta. You happy?
I am. Very pleased.
Why do you not get meatballs? Look, a gingerbread house kit. Oh my god. Do you think we should do a gingerbread house making challenge?
But you'd lose. What's the point?
Okay. If you guys want to see us do a gingerbread house making challenge, then comment below. P.S. Do you like my coat? I sent it from Femlux. It's cute, it's fresh.
Tear off her back.
Gonna do it in an unboxing. Please go away. P.S. I'm thinking of getting this mirror for my room. So it's just this big white one. £45 I don't think is bad. What do you think?
It's a mirror.
I mean, the ultimate goal would be this, obviously, but yeah. I think this is the one Sophia and Cinzia have in their filming room, you know.
Absolute
Rug.
memories.
What is it? Oh, one of them road rugs. Did you have one of them?
Of course. With my Hot Wheels.
You're hot. Look where we've ended up. You don't need Matt.
I don't need them. Some dins.
What are you doing? What?
Hey!
What is that? Oh.
This is where I got my phone football, wasn't it?
Does anyone else get really excited when they were a kid, when they were in like this section? Snape! Oh my god! This is basically the wardrobe that I have, just a smaller version, and it's all white, and I wanted to get these drawers with the glass, but like, they're £30 each, and I've got a lot of clothes, and I can't really afford that, so I've just got the ones below, which was 20, just in white. But excuse me. I love the way like an open wardrobe looks, but like it's just not as cool unless all your clothes match. Do you know what I mean? Do you ever just walk around Ikea and like there's loads of unnecessary things that you don't need, but like you feel like you need them? I see you looking at your hat. That's literally what we're doing now. We've already got everything that we need, but like there's just so many more things that we want and we don't need them.
Look at this shit.
Shook. Isn't this an absolute vibe? Isn't it a vibe? I really love like this section. How cute. So we're now in the fridge section. Oh, what do we have here? What are you doing? Excuse me. Night. No night. We got a little Christmas setup. Hi Santa. I've had a few questions about the smaller one we bought, which was this one. But Ikea do these like this glassware which has like a cork topper. Don't mind the handwriting, but so yeah, this massive one is, how much does it hold? A litre, and it's £4. And then they have a mini jug, which is I believe £3.50. And I don't know how much the big one is, but this is the big jug. And they all have like this cork. I just think it's so cool. So many cushions. These are the ones I have in my room. They're actually just fillers, but like I just cut the labels off. And these are cute. All that. Yeah. Why did you take the mic?
Don't need another bed sheet. No, leave it out.
But the big one would match.
Give over. Don't need another one.
Okay, I don't know if anyone else has this, but Jordan sweats so much in his sleep that he's like almost burnt because he sweats and fidgets. He's literally like burnt. Don't yell me, you know you're
Liar.
burnt like a hole in every bed sheet we have.
I'm not Mr. Flame from Fantastic Four.
Yes, you are. You guys, I'm debating buying these. I don't even know what for, but like, look. Aren't they just so cute? And they come in this little tray. How much? £12. They'd be good for like hair bubbles and like hair clips and stuff. I've literally seen these like everywhere, and I was thinking of getting one for like the end of my bed for my washing. I don't know. Stop saying I don't need things. What do you think? What do you think, babe? For my washing?
It's a no from me.
Why is it a no from you? Do you not like it? Okay, if this isn't my future land, I really want this for my room. I just don't know. Like, I've been toying. I'm literally going on the how is it? Desenio. Is it Desenio? I don't know. I'm literally going on the website now to see what I prefer. I think this is kind of cute. I don't like weird things. Anything with wood and white on it, I kind of like. Basic. I swear like every girl wishes she had these lights around her mirror. Guys, there's a whole Christmas section. Look at this. Jord, we're viewing the Christmas section. Oh my god, look at all the white Christmas stuff. Look. Oh my god. I mean, it's literally Halloween today, but I'm already excited for Christmas. We're kind of driving insane, like it's so late. It's not even that late, but it just feels late. I swear since the clocks have gone back, it feels later, doesn't it? Guys, if you come to Ikea, make sure you go to the bargain corner, which is literally always generally at the back and at the end by the tills. There was the nicest, wasn't it? The nicest mirror, but some guy had it in his actual trolley. I was like, oh, Jord, this is nice, only £10. It was reduced from like 65, and it was in this guy's trolley. He was like, I'm sorry, that's mine. I was like, oh, I just wanted it. I'm gonna say goodbye now, and I will probably see you very, very soon for a sneaky video that me and Chella are doing, which is including the boys. And it's safe to say, it's funny, like tonight, we'll tell all basically, but you'll see in the next video. So thank you for watching. If you're still here, thanks for watching the whole video. Do give us a like and subscribe, it would really help. I love you so much. Night.
Night.
Night.